FashionLab will exist through the official website that was launched at 5 p.m. today, where there is a blog that will give you all the main topics, main projects that we are, I would say, exploring, and we will share everything we are doing. In FashionLab, there is the part fashion, where we want to make a lot of contribution from a fashion perspective, but also there is a laboratory side, where we want Boost to nurture this website with all the different topics that we are investigating with our stylists, but also with our engineers. So we are not obliged to be directly connected with us. This is really the emerged part of the iceberg, where you could get everything we are doing in order to give us feedback. It's very important. It's part of the new approach that we're willing to take, is to get feedback, to make sure that you will give us if we are making right or not. The main deliverable of the FashionLab is very easy. There is an R&D that develop product. This is the main purpose of the system. With the FashionLab, we incubate. What does it mean? It means that when we are doing all the development with the different stylists, we have to validate two things. The first one is we have right from a technology perspective. The second one is from a user perspective. So if we make a check on these two, then all the main things we are doing from a FashionLab perspective will go to our main labs in order to become a standard product delivered as we made usually. And this is where, before we start to make any line of code for a standard product, we want to make sure that we will make right the first time. Behind the blog community, there is a social network platform based on our technology where you could get much more insight. So this is more large audience. If you want really to go inside some specific topic, you could go into the community itself in order to get more insight and share with our engineer or with our stylist in order to get additional information. We have also a partner part of this website. We want to make partner with technology provider, with academics, with schools. This is part of the DNA of the system. This is very important for us. We will not succeed on that mission alone. And this is also the drastic change that we made through the FashionLab. We don't want anymore to develop our software in our labs, I would say a closed box. We want to behave with people who know and will let us make right the first time. So this website is now available. I encourage you to go on the 3dsfashionlab.com. You will have a lot of great information. Most of our stylists made already a lot of posts. You will see how they share their passion to cooperate with us. And yeah, this is mainly how the FashionLab exists. So thanks for your time and enjoy the rest of the evening.